You have things breaking right here too.
That was wild, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Nice. Who built the box?
Guy back at home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks good. Take a couple pictures.
Okay.
These are 12s.
Yeah.
And you got your port here. Okay. This is unique. Wow, this is different. What made you do a port this way instead of flying forward or anything like that? You just...
The reason why is like that because it would have been hard to try to get the sound on the inside. But then I got my red deck up there too, so I don't want to do the doors. I'm trying to keep everything semi-original.
Yeah.
But eventually I'm gonna get the doors done and take the red deck down.
Okay.
Yeah, one of my damn amps went out. My eyes amp went out back there. But so all I got is my 6. I got like 8 of my 6.5 swing right now.
Oh man.
No horns on, but it's still ain't too bad.
You got some Dynamat, helps a little bit, but it still flex like crazy.
Yeah.
All right, y'all let you do your thing. Sorry, thank you for showing me, man.
Yeah, I'll play for you in a second.
Yeah. I was gonna hold it. Oh, you got it? Okay. This is the best way to keep the trunk flex from moving without having to weld it shut. Not many trunks do this. It's smart. Yeah, I like that idea.
Break it off. Both of them.
Wow, that's snug. So that right there stopped the flex. You want me to hold it up?
Oh, no, you good.
Wow.
It ain't that bad, man.
So what's your name? What's in here, man?
Name LJ. I got 4 F5 4.12 12s, 4 DD 4Ks, 2 DC 1000 by 4s. One of them out, but the other one's still playing.
Really? Okay. But the sub amps are good?
Yeah, something.
Okay. And you got all the trunk room you can without having to cut things out to let it breathe, right?
Yeah.
Any SPL tests?
Not yet.
Okay. What vehicle?
1989 Chevy Caprice.
Caprice. That's good. Do you know the box specs like tuning or
Yeah.
size?
Tuning wise, I'm at 32 hertz.
Okay. All right. Well, you got door speakers. All right. Let me get some trunk flex too.
Okay.
And you know I feel good when I got a little pop in my walk. Bitch, I got a little pep in my step. Covered in so hot, you can tell from the way that I talk. Over son, a bitch, I'm tight like. Yeah. This one for all the ladies. H-Town boys. Kicking it with my boy Luke. For the 9-3, you know what I'm saying? Cause we will be knocking it through.
Was wild, man. You have things breaking right here too on the top cabin even. That's crazy. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop